Hi there, Lariane with Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. Today's soap is a soap inspired by that popular print you've been seeing around, Buffalo Check. Of course, it's been around for years and years and years, but this year it seems to be really popular, so I thought, wouldn't it be fun to make a soap inspired by it? I'm sticking with the black and white pattern for today's soap. I'm also going to reserve some of the soap to pipe a little bit on top. Hopefully it will look like burlap. And as always, I'm dispersing the colorants with a little bit of the measured out oils, except for the black oxide. I will be adding that directly to the soap base because I am planning on stick blending it in, since I will be adding titanium dioxide as well. And I almost always stick blend titanium dioxide. I'm going for a thicker consistency on this soap because I am using soap that I pre-poured a couple days prior. I'll show you that in a few minutes. But I need for the gray soap to be thick enough to hold up a soap that's already solid. And the fragrance oil that I'm using is something called pepperberry mistletoe. I don't know how to describe it other than it just smells like the holidays. It just smells like Christmas to me. A few days prior, I used this column mold to make these square soaps. I will start out by placing 3 of the black columns at the bottom of the mold. And then I'll fill in the empty spaces with the gray soap. And now that the gray soap is nice and smooth and hopefully level with the black soap, I will be placing the white column soap on top of it. And once again, I'm filling in the empty spaces with the gray soap, and then I will smooth it out and make it as level as I can with the top of the white soap. And now to repeat with the black soap. And finally, I will repeat with the white soap. Let's see what's on my embed tray today. I have these soap dough holly berries and holly leaves. I made the holly leaves using this fondant cutter. Here's the soap that I set aside for piping. I'm going to mix the 2 colors together and get it into the piping bag. It's not quite at piping consistency yet though. And I'll be using tip number 48 or the small basket weave tip. Once again, no solid plan on how I'm going to pipe on the ribbon. I'm just piping things and seeing what they look like and going from there. It's beginning to look a lot like a mandatory motion sickness inducing shaky shot. 2 days later, let's cut this soap. My. I love this soap. Look at that. Yay! A little crooked on the edge, but I can definitely fix that with the soap planer. I love this soap a lot. I did save the leftover gray soap because I knew that there would be a chance that I had to do some fill-in work. And so I will take that leftover gray soap, which is now a soap dough, and fill in any gaps in the gray. I had so much fun making this. In fact, it was so fun to make that I decided to make a melt and pour version of this. So if you're interested in that, please make sure you are subscribed with the notifications on so that you're notified when I upload that video. I'm also making 2 more soaps for the holiday season, and I cannot wait to get those videos posted as well. But until then, as always and forever, thank you so very much for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.